Hooponopono is a wonderful process of problem solving. You're taking responsibility for everything in your life, and you are doing this from the basic premise that I am responsible for the problem. Knowingly, unknowingly, I may have contributed to this problem in some way. And that is why, when I choose to take responsibility, I am not blaming myself. I'm not trying to put myself down. I'm only reminding myself solution has to come from inside me. The good thing is, it's such an empowering thought to give yourself. You don't need to depend on anyone else for a solution. You don't even need to wait for someone else to change. All you are doing is cleaning up your energy to open doors for positive outcomes and experiences in your life. But the way to these positive outcomes and experiences is always your feelings. You have to come from feeling more powerful in the now. And Hooponopono is a wonderful process that helps you get to that stage where you accept things, not from negativity or struggle or compromise, but from power, awareness, and this mindful thought that I have the power to change my destiny. I have the power to bring positive changes, and I can do that only by loving myself and healing myself first. Some of us may have had troubled childhoods. Some of us may not even want to go back to our past because it may have been very unpleasant. I'm talking of childhood traumas, negative experiences in our early years that continue to haunt us even today. If you are also one of them who finds it hard to deal with your past, watch this video right up to the end. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a very simple but powerful way to approach this problem every day. The first thing that you need to do is acknowledge whatever comes up within you. So, the moment thoughts of the past come up, don't try to stop them. Don't suppress them or ignore them. Best thing for you is write them down. Sometimes, if the past is carrying heavy emotional load and heaviness, it is best to write it. If you have done it already, please do it again. Money भी एनर्जी है, वो हमें सुन रही है. हमारे पास उतना ही आएगा जिसके लिए हम तैयार हैं, जितना हम इनवाइट कर रहे हैं अपने विचारों के द्वारा, अपने फीलिंग्स के द्वारा, अपने एक्शंस के द्वारा. अगर आपको अपनी मनी एनर्जी को बूस्ट करना है, अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाना है, सही अपॉर्चुनिटीज को अपने जीवन में इनवाइट करना है, अपने मनी गोल्स को पूरा करना है, तो मेरा मनी मैनिफेस्टेशन वर्कशॉप जो 13 और 14 फरवरी को हो रहा है, जरूर ज्वाइन कीजिएगा. कुछ ही दिन बाकी हैं. आप आज ही रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. रजिस्ट्रेशन के सारे डिटेल्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेंगे. आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग ऑल ऑफ यू. मिलते हैं 13 फरवरी को. इफ the past is not settled yet, you haven't overcome it yet, you still need to write more. I've always believed as a therapist, writing must continue until you feel that heaviness is gone, until you feel you are more in alignment with who you are. So sit with yourself, take few minutes, acknowledge the thoughts, even specific memories that come to your mind. Allow them to come, write them all down. But after you finish, write one line: I surrender this to the will of God. I surrender this to the will of God. I surrender this to the will of God. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. Why? Because you see, when you release these thoughts, they are still with you, although they are on paper. Now, there is a separation between you and this negativity, but it still exists, and your mind is aware of it. To reduce the intensity of the feelings, there could be hatred, anger, bitterness, feelings of revenge, an incomplete kind of a feeling that your past is not settled. Whatever the feeling, we want to reduce the intensity. We want to come from more stability and power. So, you write these words down. Now, leave the book or the paper open. Keep your pen down and start the Hooponopono process. How? Very simple way I will guide you. First, sit straight, keep your spine erect while the rest of your body is relaxed. Close your eyes gently. Take all your attention onto your breath. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly, relax. If possible, give yourself counts 1 to 7 as you inhale. Hold your breath, counting 1 to 7. Slowly exhale with your mouth slightly open. For those of us who are restless, who are feeling unsettled, uneasy, experiencing some discomfort, especially in the body after these memories have come up, please exhale through your mouth. Exhaling through your mouth will reduce the tension, it will relax the body, it will settle the mind more. At least 8 to 10 rounds of breathing in this manner. One round is inhaling, holding the breath for 1 to 7, exhaling, counting 1 to 7, relaxing 1 to 7, then starting the second round. After a few rounds of the ha breathing is what we call this. Now, relax, keep your eyes closed and bring up an image of your own childhood. Why is this important? Because if you're dealing with past childhood trauma, your subconscious mind needs your touch, needs your love, needs your affection. Nothing better than visualization. So, whatever image of your own childhood comes, allow it to come. Imagine your child is right in front of you. Go to this child. Try to hug the child. Give the child your love, assuring the child you're there for the child and you are always thinking of the child's good. Then simply acknowledge whatever you have written. Once again, you may have written about particular incident or incidents. You may have written about a specific person who caused you some harm or damage. Whatever the memories, allow them to once again come to your mind. And because the paper is open in front of you, also try to place your non-dominant hand. For example, if you normally use your right hand to write, please take your left palm and place it on that sheet of paper. So while internally in your mind you are acknowledging those memories, your hand, the physical non-dominant hand, is on that sheet of paper in which the memories are written. As you place your hand on that sheet of paper, look at your inner child, your subconscious mind in your mind, and say, for all these memories or this incident that has come up, I'm sorry for whatever is in me that may have created it. This is important. You're acknowledging your own responsibility and contribution. Because without your contribution, without your participation, child experiences nothing. So knowingly, unknowingly, some things have happened. Through our 5 senses, we have taken in information. We have gone to some places we shouldn't have. Sometimes it is what we observed through even our eyes, what we heard through our ears, through our touch. So you are taking responsibility for all of it by saying, I am sorry. For the child, when the mother says, I am sorry, child feels safe. It reduces the resentment inside the child. The child begins to feel the mother cares for me, so she is sorry. Then, please forgive me, my family, relatives, ancestors, for any way that they may have contributed to this situation, problem, feeling. Why we are mentioning our family members and ancestors? Because we still feel resentful. If this person wouldn't have done this, I wouldn't have been here. If my parents would have taken responsibility, this would not have happened. Or if perhaps there is some history around your ancestors and you feel, oh, I am suffering because they did this and they did that. We want to dissolve all of these things. All these thoughts have to be dissolved. We are taking responsibility and saying, whatever has happened, I am today doing my bit to free them, to free myself. So you're saying, please forgive me, my family, relatives, and ancestors. Thank you for cleaning with me. I know you are doing your best to help me, to help yourself. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. As you reach the words, I love you, please place your other hand, which is in this case your right hand, on your chest. Rub your chest for a few seconds as you say, I love you wholeheartedly for everything. Notice how the energy inside your mind and body changes when you say, I love you. It has that power. It is very healing. In fact, Hooponopono is a self-healing technique. All you're doing is you are learning to love yourself, accept yourself through all these problems and situations. And that itself trains the child to free up the memories, and the divine then purifies these memories, releases them all together, blessing you with better energy, better outcomes. So, as you repeat I love you for few seconds, now slowly, when you notice yourself feeling better, imagine this little child of yours getting smaller, smaller, smaller. So small that it now enters your heart. So, as you still continue rubbing your chest, imagine this child is within you now. Once again, say I love you to this child who's inside your heart now. And slowly take both your palms now, fold your hands together, and thank the divine for this beautiful opportunity to clean with your subconscious mind. And then make this prayer to the divine, dear God, whatever we've been through so many lives until now, this present moment, we offer to you. Please heal us. Free our consciousness from all these negative thoughts, feelings, memories, vibrations, energies, until we are in the present, filled with your love, your healing, your grace. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the cleaning and the cleansing. And now you can remind yourself to take a few deep breaths. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Then you can open your eyes. Few minutes after doing this short meditation practice, try to stay silent. Don't immediately start doing something, because that may break the momentum of this exercise. Stay relaxed and try to rest of the day also keep reminding yourself that sometimes all it takes is to just love yourself. So say I love you to yourself to heal the child. The more you say I love you, the more you come from awareness that only you can heal the child, the more the healing process gets strengthened, the more easier your journey ahead is going to get. I hope this video inspires you to not give up on yourself. There's no situation which is so grave that you need to give up on it. Everything is going to change for your good. You just need to trust God and keep working on yourself. Your energy healing is a journey. And today, through this video, I hope you start your journey. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.